Welcome back, guys. It is Zane Caratala with the Caratala Group, and today we're back at the beautiful community of Elyson, and we're looking at Chesmar Homes Medina Plan. It starts at around $450,000. It has 5 bedrooms. I mean, plenty of bedrooms. Our house doesn't even have 5 bedrooms. It's a beautiful house. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look, and the reality is, when you're working with new construction, builders can take advantage of you. So you need to be represented. Get the Caratala Group on your side. Give us a shout, give us a call. We're going to make sure we take care of you. But without further ado, let's go take a look at the house. Alright, guys, so what did y'all think of this house? It's a beautiful property, right? This house has 4 bedrooms, but it does have the option of a media room, like this house. So, again, want a media room or you want a bedroom? It's up to you. But again, this house, beautiful house. Give us a call. Give us a shout if you really want it. Any house, really. Give us a call. We're going to help you out.